Friends. Thank you, Anil sir, for giving me the right direction at right time. I belong to Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and I belong to a family of five members. I am fatherless since my childhood days. My mother firmly stood for my family in running the life cycle. Although we were deprived, I get more priority as my younger brother is intellectually disabled. My journey started at nothing to an officer in RRB, that is Tamil Nadu Grama Bank. After my schoolings and graduation in Bachelor of Computer Application, I could not go further due to my family responsibilities. I took hold of my family activities and started for my search of job opportunities in my nearby localities as I got placed in software companies, uh, which was distancing too far. Started my I started my initial career as a dispatch officer, spanning 11 years in order to sustain my life. I got married in 2017, and I have a child now who is 3 years old. I know how worth the father of a family has within his the roles and responsibilities within his family, how much importance he is. So my main intention is to educate my son in a better way, and he should not be like myself as I miss my a quarter of my life without my father. It's deeply disgusting, and I cried, felt it with every second of my life so far. Due to my work-life balance, take care of my healthcare needs and my family as a whole, I quit from my roles and responsibilities as an officer in tech sales. One of my close brother named Baridasan, who is a training officer in that particular industry, in my industry, acclaimed we can do anything, everything in life if we have patience and perseverance to do. And age or anything else is not a constraint. So I started formalities for quitting from the industry in 2019 and started focusing firstly on staff selection commission examinations, mainly combined graduate level, as I lost my chance of applying clerk in like IBS clerks, RIB clerks by 4 days due to age eligibility. Not much efforts were put forth myself as it was new to me. My son is troubling me. It seems to be a roadblock for me, for my preparation also. There is always a hindrance when we are aspiring for our dreams. That's what I can say. And I moved my son and wife to her native and started preparing for bank exams, mainly especially bank PO exams with Anil Agarwal sir's guidance, as it was much easier than clerks. I was I watched almost all his appearances in YouTube channels, and I cleared my first mains interview last year in IBBS PO, but missed the final allotment by zero point 0.3 marks. I was deeply disturbed on April 1st result date, as it was my son's birthday. I marked your words, sir, in through WhatsApp, that don't quit, keep on preparing. I started again on April 4th, side by side, giving mains marks also, sir, through SmartKira. I was already doing marks in SmartKira with your suggestions, sir. I found myself equipped. I cleared two mains this year, and SBPO surely I will be able to clear. I remember that I was asking for applying NASL AO also, sir, and you replied yes. and now going for interview in NACL also, sir. Uh, for that also, I will be really thankful. One message I need to express it to aspirants is never lose your grip on preparation. Continuously put efforts. You will see the results in right time. If we need gold, which is one of the precious metal, we need to dig it until our goal is achieved or reached or attained. How hard it might be. Be bold enough to achieve success in your life. I have hard times, tougher situations to handle, greater responsibilities than most people here, but I never quit. I never walked away. I never felt depressed or I never felt demotivated. I kept on moving forward and I never give up. I made sacrifices, encouraged aspirants in my friendly relationship, those who are aspirants, mainly aspirants, suggested marks like SmartKida through Anil Agarwal sir's recommendations, and they are also finding better results. I might be an example to you. I don't know about that, but sir, yourself, you have changed my entire life. Downside, which was downside to upwards, sir. Thank you so much. And I end this by saying a quote: "You have all the abilities within you to overcome every disability you have in your life." And thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.